Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for the students of class 6 of I.C.S.E board. The subject is chemistry and the chapter is what is chemistry about. This is the first chapter of your syllabus. This is the exercise of this chapter. Let me tell you that if you find it difficult to understand what I have written, then please listen to my words carefully. Your block 1 examination is going on, and if you come across this video, I will sure that it will help you for your chemistry exam preparation. So let's come to the topic. Exercise, short answer questions. Number 1, define chemistry. Answer: chemistry is the science of substances and their transformation. Question 2. What happens to a substance after a physical change? What happens in a chemical change? Answer: in a physical change, there is no change in substance, but in a chemical change, the substance changes. Third question. What is matter? Answer: anything that takes up space and has mass is matter. Number 4. What is a base metal? Answer: base metals are common metals used in chemistry or used in industry or manufacturing, such as copper or zinc. Base metals include iron containing metals. Base metals exclude iron containing metals and alloys. Base metals exclude iron containing metals and alloys. Number 5. What is meant by the elixir of life? Answer: elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all diseases and help a person live long, and the elixir of life would make a person immortal. Let's come to the next page. Question 6. Who was the first to prepare hydrogen? Who prepared oxygen for the first time? Answer: in the 17th century AD, Robert Boyle prepared a gas which was later identified as hydrogen. British polymath Joseph Priestley first prepared oxygen. Joseph Priestley first prepared oxygen. Question 7. Who disproved the four element theory of the Greeks? Answer: Lavoisier disproved the four element theory of the Greeks. Question 8. Who put forward the periodic table? Answer: Mendeleev put forward the periodic table. Number 9. Who gave the atomic theory? Answer: John Dalton gave the atomic theory. Now come to the long answer question. Number 1. Write a note on the effect of a physical as well as a chemical change on a substance. Give an example to. On a substance, give an example to. Answer: transformation are a kind of change. Changes take place every moment. They are of two kinds, physical and chemical. In a physical change, there is no change in substance. Is there any change in substance? When ice melts, water freezes or water boils? No, the substance remains water in all these changes. So they are physical changes. Next page. But in a chemical change, the substance changes, a common substance changes. Full stop. A common example is burning. Full stop. Whenever a substance undergoes a chemical change, we say it has been transformed into another substance or substances. Cellulose is transformed into carbon dioxide and water upon burning. Second question. What was the aim of the alchemists? What was the aim of the alchemist? Did they succeed? Discuss. Answer: Broadly, the alchemist had the following two aims. Number one, converting cheaper metals into gold. Gold has been greatly valued by human beings ever since it was discovered. So, alchemists made attempts to convert baser metal, means cheaper metals like iron and copper into gold. They tried for centuries and remained unsuccessful. Number two, searching for the elixir of life. Elixir is an imaginary liquid that would cure all diseases and help a person live long, and the elixir of life would make a person immortal. Experiments were made for many centuries, obviously without success. Number 3. How did Lavoisier disprove the Greek theory of elements? Lavoisier's most fundamental contribution to chemistry was that he changed the nature of subject from qualitative to quantitative. Lavoisier proved that by weight one part of hydrogen reacts with 8 parts of oxygen to form 9 8 plus 1 parts of water. This proved that hydrogen and oxygen are simpler substances of which water is made. So water is not an element as alchemists believed. Water is in fact a compound as we know today. Thus, it is considered that Lavoisier was the father of modern chemistry. This is how he disproved the Greek theory of elements. Question 4. In what way did Mendeleev help chemistry advance? Answer. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was born in a village in Siberia on 8 February 1834. Mendeleev is best known for the classification of elements. As more and more elements were discovered, it became essential for scientists to classify them. In 1869, Mendeleev put forward the periodic law and he classified the elements on the basis of the law. He presented a table called the periodic table of elements, which he himself revised in 1871. He brought similar elements together in column called group and he kept dissimilar elements apart, idest in defined groups. The modern form of the periodic table is available, in which we will find the elements are classified into 18 groups. Full stop. His table also helped him predict the existence of three elements today named scandium, gallium and germanium. He also studied the origin and composition of petroleum, an underground deposit from which we get petrol. He also studied how liquids expand when heated and gave laws governing their behavior. This is how Mendeleev contributed in advancing chemistry. Now come to the objective part. Choose the correct options. Question 1. In which of the following cases does the substance change? Option A. The burning of paper. Option B. The freezing of water. Option C. The melting of ice. Option D. The formation of water vapor. Answer. Burning of paper. The right option is option A. Second question. Which of the following is a physical change? Option A. Cooking of food. Option B. Digestion of food. Option C. The formation of water vapor. Option D. The growth of a plant. The correct option is option C. The formation of water vapor. Question 3. Who gave the periodic table of elements? Option A. Boyle. Option B. Mendeleev. Option C. Lavoisier. Option D. Priestley. Option B. Mendeleev. Question 4. Who is considered to be the father of modern chemistry? Option A. Mendeleev. Option B. Dalton. Option C. Lavoisier. Option D. Priestley. The correct option is option C. Lavoisier. Now come to the fill in the blanks. 1. Chemistry is the science of substances and their transformations. 2. Anything that occupies space and has mass is matter. 3. A substance does not change in a physical change. 4. A substance changes in a chemical change. 5. Alchemist could not change base metal into gold. 6. Mendeleev classified the elements. The exercise is completed. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and make comments on it. Your subscription and comments are very necessary for me. Thank you and best wishes for your upcoming examination.